Are you a woodworking enthusiast looking for quality plans to help you complete your projects with ease? If so, you may have come across TedsWoodworking, a popular product on Clickbank that claims to offer over 16,000 woodworking plans. But is it really worth your time and money? In this video, we'll uncover the truth behind the TedsWoodworking scam. Firstly, let's address the elephant in the room. TedsWoodworking is a Clickbank product. This means that it is not a physical product, but a downloadable product that can be purchased online. Unfortunately, the Clickbank marketplace is known for hosting a large number of low-quality and even scam products. So, it's natural to question the legitimacy of TedsWoodworking. One of the main issues with TedsWoodworking is the hype surrounding it. The website claims to offer over 16,000 plans for a one-time fee of $67. While this may sound like a great deal, the truth is that many of these plans are duplicated or outdated. In fact, upon closer inspection, many customers have found that the plans are not even related to woodworking at all. Instead, they are basic plans for household items such as birdhouses and picnic tables that can be easily found for free online. Furthermore, TedsWoodworking has also come under scrutiny for its false advertising. Many customers have reported that the plans offered on the website are actually low-quality scans of old books and magazines. These plans are often difficult to read and follow, making it nearly impossible to complete the project successfully. In some cases, the plans are also incomplete, with missing measurements and instructions, leading to frustration and wasted time and money. Next, let's talk about the numerous complaints and negative reviews surrounding TedsWoodworking. A quick search online will reveal a multitude of unhappy customers who have fallen victim to this scam. They have reported issues such as being charged multiple times for the same product, being unable to access the plans after purchase, and not receiving any response from the customer support team. Many customers have also expressed disappointment with the poor quality of the plans and have had to resort to seeking alternatives elsewhere. It's also worth mentioning that TedsWoodworking has faced legal action in the past. In 2013, the product was investigated by the Better Business Bureau due to numerous complaints filed against it. Furthermore, TedsWoodworking has a history of changing its name and website to escape negative reviews and ratings, which is a common tactic used by many scam products. In conclusion, it's safe to say that TedsWoodworking is a scam that should be avoided at all costs. The website lures customers in with promises of thousands of plans for a low price, only to provide low quality and duplicated plans. The false advertising and numerous complaints from unhappy customers further add to the suspicion surrounding this product. Some text goes here. So, what should you do if you're looking for quality woodworking plans? Our advice is to steer clear of TedsWoodworking and instead, do your research and opt for reputable websites and resources that offer genuine and reliable plans for a fair price. If you do decide to take the risk and purchase TedsWoodworking, we urge you to proceed with caution. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. So, don't fall for the TedsWoodworking scam, and invest your time and money in legitimate resources that will help you hone your woodworking skills and complete your project successfully. If you've already purchased TedsWoodworking and are unhappy with your experience, don't lose hope. You can always reach out to Clickbank's customer support team for a refund. And for those who are yet to make a purchase, we highly recommend that you click the link in the description and check out our list of reputable and reliable resources for quality woodworking plans. Don't let the TedsWoodworking scam discourage you from pursuing your passion for woodworking. Click the link in the description now and get started on your woodworking journey on the right foot. For more information, click the link in description.